All right, enough messing around with these tempered glass screen protectors. I went ahead and got this Whitestone Dome bootleg, this Fulu, on Amazon for $14.99 with Prime shipping. Let's see if it's worth it purchasing for your OnePlus 9 Pro. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have a tempered glass screen protector from Fulu. It is like a Whitestone Dome knockoff for the OnePlus 9 Pro. Picked this up, like I said, on Amazon for 15 bucks. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what it's inside the package here. We do have a instructions. Make sure you read the instructions with installation auxiliary with all your accessories to install. You do have your installation process here. The tempered glass screen protector here. You only get one. You only get one glue. And you get this small UV light here, and I want to say this is a masking tape for the speaker and bottom port. Cut out ring side area needs for speakers ports, yeah, to seal from the glue actually seeping in there. You don't get a tray like the Whitestone Dome, which makes these a little bit difficult to install, which in return they get bad ratings on Amazon. This is a 3-star rating on Amazon with 24 reviews, but you know what I'm saying, if it's pretty difficult to install, I say they get a tray in there to make the installation process easier. So without further ado, let's go ahead and clean the display and get this installed. Let's see if it's worth your hard-earned money, and let's see if it's gonna work on the OnePlus 9 Pro here, because I'm very curious. I bought the one I had before, this one right here, pretty much garbage. Doesn't work. The fingerprint in display fingerprint reader doesn't read almost like 99% of the time, and so why mess around and guess if these tempered glass screen protectors are gonna work? This one's just a few dollars more, and maybe it's the only one you have to purchase here. So I have this nice and wiped down. Okay, now the installation says here to, first of all, you got to cover this port there and drop the glue on the display. Let's go ahead and cover our speaker. So they want you to remove the top cap here, and by removing this, I'm guessing you're gonna remove the white cap first, then remove this. Grab your on display, your screen protector here. Now the glue is going to start making its way towards the bottom. Oh man, so you want to kind of so let it settle, run through. That was actually relatively pretty easy to install. All I did was pick the phone up a little bit to get the glue up on top more. So then I dropped the screen on there, and the way the phone sits, it sits at a steep level going down because of the camera. So with that itself, the glue automatically runs its way down the screen, which was pretty much perfect. Wasn't pretty bad. So I'm gonna get this UV light set up here and get this plugged in. So from the Whitestone Dome videos, we'll do about a minute there, a minute in the middle, a minute. then we'll work our way back. All right, we're done with the securing process. If you have a old White Stone Dome, I suggest just using the White Stone Dome one. This one only has 3 LEDs. The White Stone Dome has like 6, I think, so it'll cure it faster. But there you have it, guys. It was not too bad. I did get a little bit of glue there on the speaker. The sticker didn't quite work all that great, but you can easily peel it off once it adheres. There you go. It's coming off pretty easily there. Just scrape it. Yeah. There we go. Let's go ahead and power this bad boy on. Now, it seems like I got a pretty good installation there. Not too bad. The only thing that I kind of messed up is that sticker wasn't on there all that great. I did get a little bit of glue there. I can probably clean it out. I got most of it out. Not too bad. Just got to get a little pick and pick that bad boy out. But most of the holes are uncovered. I don't think it's gonna mess with the audio quality coming out of that little speaker there. But touch sensitivity is there. Now let me see if the fingerprint reader works. Actually feels great in hand. Feels good. Not too bad. Let's see if the fingerprint works. Oh man, I haven't even programmed it, and look at that. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Works flawlessly. Make sure that speaker right there works. It's unicorn beetle time. So just because I got a little bit of glue there doesn't necessarily mean the speaker is plugged. It's not plugged. I cleared it, most of it. You can hear it just fine. The fingerprint reader works. The touch sensitivity is there. Okay, mumbling my words. As you can see, look at that. Flawless. And the main thing, boom, the fingerprint reader works all the time. I didn't even have to re-register my fingerprint in order to get this to work. But there you have it, guys. The Fulu 1-pack screen protector for OnePlus 9 Pro White Stone Dome bootleg here, $14.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping. I'll leave the link in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick this up. I strongly recommend it. Installation did not seem as hard as I thought it was going to be. Just make sure you put that sticker on there so the glue doesn't get on there into your speaker port there, and you have to clean it out like I did. But okay, quick update, I did get all that glue out of there. Just got the wet nap there and kind of scrub it, and it came off. And then I forgot to actually let you guys know that this actually is case friendly. This is the official OnePlus carbon bumper case there. It works just flawlessly with it. Doesn't protrude on the edges. Works perfect actually, and I'm loving this great combination. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Boom, look at that. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.